The bravest people are scared too, you know?
I know.
But you'll be okay.
Creating videos like this used to take hours. Today, with Claude and Veo, it takes just minutes. The problem? Most people have access to the tools but don't know the workflow. That's exactly why aipreper exists. Here's how to make a video. Start with Claude. Ask it to create your story and generate detailed scene-by-scene prompts. I have pinned the exact prompt I used in comments. Next, generate an image for each scene to keep your characters and visuals consistent. Then open Veo. Upload the image for scene 1 and paste the matching prompt. Veo creates your first clip. Repeat the same process for scene 2. Once all scenes are ready, stitch them together, make any final edits, and your video is done. I used only 2 scenes, but you can scale the same workflow to create videos of any length. For more videos like this, do follow and download aipreper.
The bravest people are scared too, you know?
I know.
But you'll be okay.
You were right, Baba!